My name is Sheetal. I am a scientist in human genetics and the founder of ApsaraSkincare.com. This harsh chemical is the same chemical that makes your shampoo lather. And the amount of lather that it produces is completely unnecessary for the purpose of washing and cleaning both your scalp as well as your hair. The name of this chemical ingredient is SLS, also called sodium lauryl sulfate. Just make sure that it's not part of your hair care products at all. It's terrible because it's very dehydrating to your scalp as well as to your hair. At the level of the scalp, this amount of dehydration and dryness can cause flakiness, itchiness, inflammation, and the development of dandruff. And I know nobody enjoys these problems. From an Ayurvedic standpoint, such chemicals are known to have a very high pitta or fire nature. They increase inflammation and they can also be responsible for hair loss and rapid graying of hair. The first thing is to choose a shampoo that is made of surfactants or lathering agents that are derived from nature. You just have to be vigilant and read the label. I formulated our shampoo here at Apsara called Rosemary and Amla, which does not have any SLS in it at all. You can go online at ApsaraSkincare.com and get more information. And if you found this video educational, please follow my page. And if you have any hair or scalp related questions, don't be shy. Use the comments field below and talk to me directly.